Hello guys, is me your friend Kaiju. You want to know why what happened? They're a random kid how call me and racist and rude. Because I'm telling a truth. I'll put on news in Discord. They're the what she said. Son, I'm telling truth. And she said. Holy War World 3. We don't want emoji cat in a 2026. Emoji cat lol. Well, I gotta end this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure hit the subscribe button so I will get 100 subscribers. Bye my friend.